In this video, I'll discuss the procedure for medication wastage. Proper disposal of medication is essential to ensure safety and prevent misuse and comply with legal and healthcare regulation. The procedure of handling medication wastage is depend upon the reason of disposal. So for a reason, for drop and expired medication, if the medication is dropped or expired, it's considered as unusable and must be disposed safely. First thing, you have to identify the medication, check the label, the name, and the expiration date. Document the wastage, record the medication detail, reason of disposal, and the date of disposal of the medication. Dispose of medication for non-controlled medication. Follow agencies' guidelines, which may involve placing it in the medication in a specific or designated disposal bin or place. Controlled substance, these are more complicated because there should be like a proper documentations for a controlled substance. This medication need to be disposed using a drug take back program or any way that the rendered them unusable. Always follow agencies or pharmacy policies. In some organization, specific protocols such as returning expired medication to the pharmacies. Medication refusal. If disposing medication due to refusal or misdose medication, if the patient refused to if the individual refused the medication or a dose was missed by any reason, the medication is typically not be discarded immediately. Instead, documented and handled based on the healthcare policies or agency policies. First, in medication of refusal, reason is refusal or misdose. And you have to encourage the individual to take the medication, explain the importance of medication. And if the patient still refuse to take the medication, refusal medication should be recorded in the mark sheet. You have to record it in the individual mark sheet and notify the supervisor or any healthcare provider necessarily if there's a misdosed medications. And you can also call the pharmacies, and for example, you miss the dose of medication, you can call the pharmacies as if there's any ways or just they'll give you instruction what to do with the missed medications. Do not dispose the medication unless the instructed by the pharmacist or the policies. It may be returned to stocks or reopened, safe or for reused. Missed dose, if the dose follow the agency protocol, some medication may be given later or other may need to be skipped entirely. Document the missed dose for a reason in the mark sheet and inform prescribed healthcare provider if needed.